Fortnite is a free-to-play battle royale multiplayer online game playable on PC, Xbox, PS4, Nintendo Switch, and even smartphones, with cross-platform play available on most offerings. Recently, Fortnite has become a gaming cultural powerhouse, attracting gamers of all ages and walks of life. Fortnite's ubiquitous popularity has even attracted a wide range of celebrities, from artists like Drake, Lil Yachty, and Travis Scott to athletes like Josh Hart and Juju Smith-Schuster. This popularity has culminated in Fortnite online content collectively setting record-breaking viewerships on streaming and media content platforms such as Twitch and YouTube. Whether you're a casual or competitive player, Fortnite has something for everybody. Unlike other battle royale experiences, offers a fast pace so you can get in and out of the game without wasting precious minutes of gaming. You won't be looting and camping for 30 minutes just to get taken out by an enemy that you never even saw. Just pure action and high-octane gameplay. Fortnite typically follows the traditional battle royale structure of 100 players per lobby, with several available game modes including solo mode, which is you versus 99 other players, duo mode, which is you and a teammate, squad mode, which is you and 2 to 3 teammates, playground mode, which is a private lobby with up to 4 players with unlimited respawns, and there are also limited time game modes incorporated from time to time, ranging from 2 teams of 50v50, snipers only, explosives only, and even the competitive showdown modes with prizes depending on your placement.